When we launched PowerCare, we saw an immediate need for geotechnical testing and installation on the large CNI space projects, small utility scale space. We saw a similar thing with operations and maintenance. There is a lot of opportunity for regional expertise in operations and maintenance, and we wanted to offer that on some of our projects. And as we started developing VERTEX in order to optimize our own operations and maintenance performance, how can we bring this software into the O&M market so that other O&M players can also more highly leverage their businesses and really create these high margin, high profit businesses in an area that right now is very much dependent on a large operation having scaled in that particular geographic region. We want to be able to deploy VERTEX so that the O&M company that can come into that particular region is really set up in a way that's scalable and that they can provide best-in-class O&M from the outset. One of the challenges in setting up an O&M business is the understanding which devices need your attention at what time, what is remotely fixable and what needs to go out on site. And for a company that may have construction experience but may not have solar experience, what are the nuances of these devices and how do we best optimize for performance of these devices? And then how do we report that information out to the various stakeholders, whether it's the owner, the developer? How do they know that what we're doing is in the best interest of their project? And so what VERTEX creates is a framework to do all of that without creating it from scratch. What we've often seen is some of the larger players who have gotten into O&M have had to create their own software platforms in order to even be able to handle the scale of all the different types of devices, all the different legacy platforms that have existed. We're trying to say, if you want to get into the O&M business, you don't also have to be a software company. We've created this platform that's fully extensible for your needs and gives you those workflow tools, gives you that device management solution that you've been looking for, and you can get up and running immediately. For us, we really see the benefit to the industry from this long-term maintenance, understanding the costs, understanding what solar will generate in terms of revenue, and then what the cost of maintenance will be. We see better understanding of that, meaning more accurate financing terms, being able to finance more projects, really being able to ramp up the scale at which solar can be attached to the grid, and to say it's not just something that we can add to the grid because we have some sort of requirements to add green power, but it's really an asset to the grid, and it's something that utilities want to have because the power is well understood and the cost of service is well understood, and it increases confidence.